Hello guys, welcome to another big news. Yay! For our first story, we got Perplex joins TMB. Okay, this was fan requested to me. Okay, so well know Perplex. You all know him. He's a pretty good guy, big guy in the community. He also very lavish, He just joined TMB. Oh yeah. So now we can fight the haters of the first vegan fashion in torn. Oh yeah. And yeah, many factions will be afraid. But don't worry, they won't hurt you unless you're not vegan. Okay. Okay, what was our next one? Oh yeah. Some people, some cool people got faded. Yeah, like a bunch of karma farmers made threads about it a couple days ago. Yeah, karma farmer. Just read the announcement. Oh, what the? Okay, and then shout out to this guy. Okay. But yeah, I kinda like KK, especially being married to Ed, I think it was just discrimination, TMB discrimination, It's simple, okay? And for our next topic, what happened to my threads? Okay, so I kind of been posting less threads, a little bit less here and there, but because some staff, y'all can see that, yeah, shout out to this guy, but, okay, wait, what? Hey, I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh yeah, Seth wanted me to, have higher quality threads, but I don't know how that's possible. I already have the highest quality of threads, How I don't understand. But I might be getting banned soon. So if you don't hear from me for a while, that's why. For our next topic, let's see. Oh yeah, Ed is not a bug abuser. Okay, next topic. Let's see. Oh, what will my next thread be? Yeah, I think I'm probably gonna make one about, some more trotting, Gonna make sure it's very, very high quality though. Can't have it going to good old grave. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, wait. Oh, oh. Wow. Okay, for our last topic, we got, let's see. Let's just do the little TMB recruiting, Oh no, I can talk about Dragno. Yeah, he's not very cool, He's actually just a karma farmer. Wait, I have proof. Hold on, let me go to wherever thread it was. Dang, was this one? No, it's before this. Let's see. Compare. Oh, no. To be here. No. What was one of these? Okay, it had tube in here. There we go. There we go. There's proof right there. Proof. 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 Okay. Yeah. I'm still waiting on my 30 million check. No, you kinda owe me. But that's gonna be all for pig news. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share to all your Facebook friends. And let's see, anything else? Oh yeah, a shout out to Supreme Polk, just everyone TMB, my fans. I got a couple fans now, Yeah, I think that's it. Bye guys.